example, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord N30. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Then try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and then you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be thunderstorms, with a high of 23 and a low of 14.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.